Sir, sir, yun doon sa Paruhinog case, meron pa po bang susunod na mga mayors involved in illegal drugs na ganyan din ang mangyayari kasi sabi ninyo ang autos ninyo?
I will make it public. One time I called for all of them sa kanila. Hindi ko kayo niyaya. I barred the media. Three batches. Nabi ko talaga sa kanila, do not do it. Do not do it. Because my order is to destroy the organizations. Hindi naman ito na basta you pick one enemy at a time. You are up against an organization. Parahinog has been there and you can ask the ordinary citizen of Osamis.
Okay.
Tanungin mo sila kung ilan ang pulis na matay doon na hindi sumunod. They were running the city as if it was a feudal state of the family. Kaya sinabi ko, huwag ninyong gawain yan. Pag hindi ninyo sinunod, masabihin bakit namatay. I said, my order, hindi itong drogadores. It's all over every day may nahuli. It is really run by organizations. And so my order to the military and the police, and rightly so, to destroy the organization, both the supplier, the users, and everybody connected with the organization. Because they keep alive the trade. Sabi ko dito, ayaw ko mapaya. I declared war against drugs. Huwag mo akong hiyain. Kasi hindi ako nakakatanggap ng kahiyaan.
Sir, kailan ho ulit may matutumba na mayor?
Depende na lang sa intriga mo kung saan ang mas marami.
Last question, Joseph Morong, GMA7.
Sir, good afternoon po.